Welcome to Morrison Foerster's 2025 ESG and Sustainability Investing in Asia survey. I'm Marcia Ellis, partner at Morrison Foerster.
I'm Scott Jalowiecki, a partner at Morrison Foerster.
For the third time since 2022, MoFo and AVCJ surveyed 100 Asia-headquartered fund GPs, each managing more than USD 1 billion. We asked how ESG and sustainability are shaping investments and the market.
Since 2022, our surveys have tracked ESG's rise from emerging priority to embedded practice. By 2023, many GPs had adopted formal policies while also voicing concerns about resources and regulation. Now, 2 years later, we see further progress, but also more complexity as global attitudes evolve.
The numbers show momentum. 60% of GPs now have formal ESG committees, up from 43% last year. Half of those committees are dedicated solely to ESG oversight.
But policy change is slowing. Nearly 80% of firms haven't updated their ESG policies recently, except when required by new regulations.
A quarter of GPs say U.S. pushback on ESG issues has slowed or altered their work in this area.
We also found LPs are less vocal. Only 18% of GPs said LPs raised ESG concerns this year, down from a third in 2023.
Yet ESG remains central in deal-making. Almost 90% of the GPs run ESG due diligence, and nearly half have walked away from deals because of ESG risks, double the rate from 2 years ago.
Managers are also cautious about messaging. While 91% say they've adopted greener practices, 2/3 keep quiet to avoid accusations of greenwashing. 72% of GPs now have policies regarding communications or green claims by portfolio companies, which is a substantial increase from 54% in 2022.
One clear takeaway: strong ESG performance is seen as a value driver. More than 90% believe positive ESG metrics boost valuations and smooth exits. And new priorities are rising fast: technology and climate change, from responsible AI to carbon-heavy asset disposal. GPs are moving from talk to action.
The survey highlights a complex landscape: more structure, more scrutiny, but also more caution. In our full report, MoFo's ESG team also shares perspectives on some of Asia's most debated issues, including data centers, data privacy and cybersecurity, and the balancing act between ESG mandates and access to U.S. capital markets. We hope you enjoy the full report. For questions, contact us at esg@mofo.com.